Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading Pisces for your general energies, career situation and relationship. We are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies Pisces. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So that reading may give you clarity, may answer some questions you have about your circumstances. So you can watch that reading, Pisces. And Pisces, I request you to watch this reading till the end because at some point of this reading you will get the clarity you are expecting to see today. So let's start with these cards here for your general energies. It's Four of Cups in reverse, Three of Pentacles in reverse, and Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So, in your circumstances today, in your relationship, you are someone, a very kind, compassionate person, helping others, helping people who work with you, or helping this person you love, your friends and family members. But today, for some reason, you feel that people who are there with you, they are not really friendly with you, their intentions are not good, and maybe they are not trying to change, they are not trying to be like you. So you are going out of the way helping others, but they are treating you in a very bad way. And though you are someone good, devoted to the people you have with you, you are going out of the way helping others, but people are not accepting, people are not reciprocating your attitude, your friendly nature, and you are trying to do things the right way, you are working relentlessly. And maybe there is a lot of jealousy on you guys because you are successful, you are very successful in a very good position in your career. So people in your life, your friends or family, they are quite jealous of you, jealous of the opportunities you are having. And today, Pisces, whatever your situation is, maybe you are friendly, maybe you are dedicated towards your dreams and goals, and you're wishing good things for the people around you, but still, you must be more humble and you must try to share your abundance, your blessings with people who are close to you. That is going to change the way things are going in your life today, Pisces. So we will see what is the card. It's Seven of Wands. So there are a lot of things that needs to be changed today and you are working towards that in this relationship. But you must not lose hope, lose faith, because you are going to see something beautiful, a new change coming. Maybe this person is changing and they will understand you. And if you are together, this person is definitely changing. So, all that misunderstanding, troubles you saw in your relationship is changing for you today, Pisces. And if you are someone single, there is someone new coming with a proposal. So, this may be a surprise proposal, something that is going to be very interesting for you, that is going to take you by surprise. So, beautiful changes are waiting to unfold in your relationship, Pisces. So, we will see what is the card for your career situation. It's Three of Cups in reverse. So, in your work, again, you are going to see good changes. Maybe whatever projects got delayed or suspended, all that is reviving, something coming back for good. And you are going to see great opportunities, success, and prosperity, abundance in your career. So that is the reading with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, truth be told. Such a beautiful card here, guys. So in your circumstances, in your relationship, this is the time to be your true self, whatever truth you have, true to your thoughts, emotions, your intentions, and clarity of communication. So, people will tell you who they are quickly if you are willing to listen to what they say and pay attention to how they are behaving with you. And if you talk to them freely, have that open conversation, you will see the truth. And it is time to see what is true for you and what you share with each other. And tell this person or tell someone who is close to you what you are, what you truly want. So, this is the time for that. And no one can do that for you because no one will know what is true in your heart. You must come out with that truth. So, your truth is based on the experiences you have and your personality. So, when you talk to this person about what you truly feel and what are your intentions, when that communication happens in a very honest way, you will find a higher truth that will help you to be more attuned to yourself. That will make you see things more clearly with more clarity. So, this is the time for you should not hold yourself back. Speak your truth and listen. That is going to work in a beautiful way in your relationship. So, the same way in your work, what are your truthful desires? What do you want to be? What is true for you? You must go for that. So, what are your desires for a prosperous life? You must think of it and plan for it. So, if you want to be a painter, are you making the efforts to achieve that goal? Or if you want to be a singer, are you being true to your calling you have? Whatever you wish for. So, this is the time for you to do that, being true to your thoughts, emotions, your goals. That is going to help you find your happiness and abundance. So, that is the energy here. A very beautiful card for you guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So, I will keep this aside. For those who chose this second card, we will see what it is. Show the world the real you. Full moon in Aquarius. So, with this card in your circumstances today, so maybe you are too much obsessed with something, or you are thinking of something, worrying about something, but this may be the time for you to detach a little from whatever situation you are asking about. And maybe for some of you, you are trying to avoid someone, keeping someone at an arm's distance. But it is not a bad thing. But if you want your life to unfold as it is, whatever needs to be done. You must not have that fear or anxiety. You must never hold yourself back from showing the world the real you. And it is important for you to let life flow as it should and manifest things as it should. So instead of holding back or avoiding something, that is not going to help you in any way today, guys. And you need to believe in yourself, because you are a very unique person, and your unique characteristics are what makes you special. So, in this relationship, are you being too aloof or detached? So, you must be aware of your feelings and be prepared to move on with your life and think with your heart and not with your head. Sometimes, when we think too much, we just hold ourselves back. But this may be the time for you to think with your heart, and there is someone in need of you who needs you desperately, and you must go for their help, or you must at least talk to this person. You are trying to avoid them, and in your circumstances you are going to see something unexpected, an unexpected turn of events waiting to unfold. But you must stay strong, focused, have that belief and trust in yourself, and believe that everything is happening for the highest good. So, whatever happening next may be quite unexpected, but you will come out of the situation um, with more clarity if you can hold on, wait. So, that is the energy here with this card for you. So, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.